Hello, today I'm going to show you how to repair plaster. Some plaster is not worth repairing if it's too soft. Look at my other video. If it's too soft, you don't even need to bother repairing it. Just put drywall on top of it. And this one we're going to repair because it's solid. Okay, so basically you want to have the thinnest drywall. Okay, you want to have the thinnest drywall. Make sure you cut it to even. I'm going to show you some other one that I already cut, but hold on, let me see. Here I'm going to show you. See, see these. See these drywall right here? It's already been cut to the exact. And drywall patch right here, also drywall patch here. But it's already been cut to the sides. But basically what you want to do, you want to cut the sides and you want to fasten the latch. Whichever one that's loose, you know how the drywall is a little heavy, the plaster is heavy, so that's why the latch, yeah, that's why the latch got loosened, and that's how your plaster drop. Okay, so basically you want to cut the drywall. Remember, this is only a 1/4 inch thick drywall, the thinnest drywall. You want it fine. Two screws enough. You want to compound it and tape it. thickness of the plaster on the left is a 1/4 inch. So make sure you get a 1/4 inch thin drywall. And that's it. That's how you repair drywall. That's how you repair, that's it. That's how you repair plaster with drywall. Make sure it's a 1/4 inch thick. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe. Appreciate it. Just on the hallway, got a 2-way switch, and just turn off on down here. Here's the room over here. I finished spraying it, yeah. Spraying it throughout the whole house. I like it, every single wall on my property, I like it flat white, yeah. It's like nice and clean. And if they want to change the color, they can change it on their own. But if they move out, if I were to rent it, if they move out, they need to paint it flat white again. See? The chimney over there was falling apart. Yeah. Had to lay some new bricks and that everything. And now completely covered, nice and smooth. Alright, where the chimney's at. That's mainly it for this apartment. It's nearly done, you know. Turn up this light back here. And all I got is that and the kitchen. Right, it's the kitchen. So all the light, it's always been hooked up. You know. All right, thank you. Appreciate it.